Good morning, everybody. Today I will discuss the topic just in time. Then I will discuss introduction. Almost everything happen just in time. For example, consider my journey to work this morning. I could have left my house just in time to reach the college bus, just in time to arrive at my knowledge, just in time to pick up my lecture notes, just in time to walk into the lecture theatre to start the lecture. Practically, there is no problem with the however achieving this in practice is likely to difficult. Similarly, we could produce finished goods just in time to be handled to the customer who want them. So JIT has no need for inventory or stock, either of raw material of work in progress of finished good. Then it also has been described as an approach with the objective of producing the right part in right place, right time, in other words, just in time. GIT is used to indicate that process which be capable of instant response to demand without the need of any overstocking, either in expectation of the demand being for the coming or as a result of inefficiencies in the process. In this system, nothing is pre-made. If there is used to product and produce that product instantly with highest level of quantity, this is waste free and stock less system. Basically, just in time system are used to uh, solve the problem in any product and any defect of the product. Then uh, every employees are responsible to solve this problem and improve the quality. Second, definition. Just in time. Just JIT is just in time is also known as the stock less production or less production. Just in time production is the process control method that provide parts, components, and assemblies to the production at the exact time when they are needed. The result of GIT production is fewer inventories of raw material, smaller inventories of parts, less work in process, and shorter lead time. Benefit of GIT production are significant reduction in floor space, less overhead, and reduction in cost. Uh, GIT system, the main purpose, no stockless any product, then the cost material is less, and they are modern technologies are used in small industry. Then benefit of GIT production are significant reduction in floor space, less overhead, and a reduction in cost. GIT philosophy. First point, elimination of waste in its many forms. Belief that ordering, holding cost can be reduced. And third is continuous improvement, always striving in to improve. This diagram is shown to KIT system. KIT systems are used to many uh, parts. First, uh, हमारा defect main power, defect inventory, swing searching, overproduction, machine breakdown, transformation, setup time, waste in process, poor vendor quality. Then these parts are divided to any other points. Then manpower is optimum use and multi-skilled worker. Defect is valid quality at source and FOCA and inventory, produce what is needed, demand pull, queuing searching, transport work, place, housekeeping, 5S Kanban quality environment. Then every points are discussed to JIT system. Next topic the philosophy of JIT. Philosophy क्या होगी JIT? Just in time system की. JIT is called philosophy because it is opposite of inventory control. It incurs the entire system of repetitive production. In simple word, JIT is an approach which seeks to claim all sorts of waste in production activities by producing the right component part of right time at right place. Normally, JIT systems are used to wastage of material, time consuming and less cost. Parts there parts are therefore produced just in time to meet production requirement rather than by traditional approach which produce parts just in case they are needed. In this system are used to solve the problem in our product. Then every pupil employees are responsible for uh, solve this problem and in which therefore the just-in-time system result in much less inventory, lower cost and other quantity than in GIC approach. GIT is a philosophy representing various concepts that result in different ways of doing business of most organizations. The basic tenets of this philosophy include in which first point are discussed, yet is never ending journey, what the rewarding steps of discrimination. Second, always anything that does not add value to the product of service should be eliminated. Value is nothing that increase the usefulness of the product of service is the customer and also reduce the cost to the customer. In which in which my product is based is log less than uh, the cost is product uh, is less. Third point, inventory is waste. Waste can gradually be eliminated by removing small amount of inventory from the system, correcting the problem, follows, and then removing more inventories. Fourth point, the customer, in which definition and choice of quality, their criteria for evaluating the product should drive product design and manufacturing system. This implies to trend toward increase the customized product. Fifth point, manufacturing according to quick response to delivery request. Design change, quantity change is essential to maintain high quality and low cost within increasingly differential product demand. Six point setup time should be very less so that quick demand can be made. With less setup time, it is obvious that transportation should also be minimum. Mutual respect and support based on sincerity and trust should exist among the organization, it is employees, it is supplier and the customer. And 8 point, a team effort is required to achieve good class manufacturing capability, quality. For this management, staff labor must participate. This implies increasing the flexibility, responsibility, authority provide to the worker. Next, the employees who perform a task often is the best source of consistent improvement in the operation. It is important to employ the worker brain and experience, not merely their hands. 10th point, Hamara. Equipment should be effective and therefore maintain required is less. This point are discussed to every uh, product cost is low, then wastage material is less than. This system are used to GAT. GAT is every device approach. It includes very old ideas and some new ones in rely of basic concepts from many disciplines, including statics, logical, industrial engineering, production management, and behavioral science. But first the foremost, it is practical and thus imperial discovering what work and way it works require that plant operation be studied. This requires the collection and analysis of relevant data concerning the plant operation and its performance. This practically causes the manufacturing process and its environment to be viewed as a research laboratory similar to university hospital in that primary task made to produce quality output. What another important thing is to learn how to better next time. Next topic is discuss elements of JIT, elements of just in time. First point, stabilized and uniform plant loading. Create a uniform load on all work center through constant daily production and mixed model assembly is produce roughly the same mix of product each day using a repeating sequence. If several products are produced on the same line, meet demand fluctuation through end item inventory rather than through fluctuation in product level. Second, reduce setup time. Setup time should be very less so that quick demand can be made. Aim for single disk setup for one touch setup time. This can be done through better planning, process redesigning, and product redesign. A good example of potential for improved setup time can be for 8 auto racing, wherein NASCAR pit through the change all of price and what gas in the tank is under 20 seconds. The pit crew of efficiency is a result of team effort using specialized equipment and is coordinated well participate uh, participate. Then reduce setup time this process are used to every purchase to product uh, to demand customer. Then in which setup machine setup times is very low, very less. And third, the reduce lot size, reducing setup time always economical production of smaller lots. Close cooperation with supplier is necessary to achieve a reduction in order to size lot size of purchased items since there will be require more frequent deliveries. फोर्थ है हमारा reduce lead time production and delivery. In which discuss the production for demand in product and delivery. Production lead time can be reduced by moving workstation closer together, applying group technology and cellular manufacturing concept, reducing queue length, reducing the number of jobs waiting to proceed at given machine, and improving the coordination and cooperation between success process. Delivery lead time can be reduced through the close cooperation with supplier, possibly by including supplier to locate closer to the factory. Uh, Fifth point है हमारा preventive maintenance. Use effective machine. What key is to machine and worker ideal time to maintain equipment and prevent breakdown. These systems are used to every fact for my machines then are solved to the any problem to uh, maintenance worker. Six है हमारा flexible workforce worker should be trained to operate several machines, to perform maintenance tasks, and to perform quality inspection. Internal GIT require term of component employees who have responsibility for their own work. Then example, the Toyota production system concept of respect for people contribute to good relationship between worker and manager. Seventh point is implement a zero defect quality program. In this system, are used to error leading to defective item must be eliminated. Quality source program must be implemented to give worker the personal responsibility for the quality of worker they do and the authority to stop production when something goes wrong. Then next points are discuss small lot single unit conveyance. Use of control systems such as German card system or other things system to carry parts between workstation in small quantities in its largest sense. Yet is not the same thing as the Kalman system and to Kalman system is not required to the element yet and is required to implement of Kalman system and its two concept of frequently equated with one another. Then other uh, uh, pointers characteristics of JIT are discussed to next uh, lecture and thank you for everyone.